How's it going, everybody? Zeke here from Zeke Fishing Pro, and today we are going on yet another epic camping adventure. It's round 2, baby. This year, in June, for our second camping trip of the year, we are going to Bullard State Park. It is on the Oregon coast, and we are going to be doing some amazing things there. We got everything packed up in the truck. We got our bikes, our wood, our dog kennel, got everything in the trailer, ready to go. When we're there at Bullard State Park, we're going to be going surf fishing. We're going to be going crabbing for Dungeness crab. We're going to be doing some awesome catch and cooks, campfire cooking. And in this episode, we are going to be driving 3.5 hours to our destination. But 3/4 of the way there, we are going to stop at a place called the Coquille River. Many of you guys might be familiar with that. Many of you guys might not be. In case you don't, it has smallmouth bass in it. It has trout. So we're gonna stop along the way at a park, fish a little bit for smallies and trout, see what we can catch. But thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. But first we gotta drive 3.5 hours to our destination, and I will see you guys at the Coquille River. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Let's get to driving. Alright guys, we made it to Sturtevant Park on the Coquille River, and check this out, guys. First time ever being at the Coquille River. It is absolutely beautiful. A little windy, but this dock is super cool. So we're gonna have lunch, take a little break, and then I'll put you guys on the chesty, and then we'll just fool around a little bit and fish the river. All right guys, we finished lunch, got the fishing gear. We're gonna go down here, fool around for like half an hour and see if we can catch. Apologize for the wind again, I'm sorry. Can't control the weather. We are going to try in this little log jam. Overhanging tree is the word. So guys, I actually bought yet another rod at Goodwill. And it is this one, the SR100. It's a nice 6-foot red little rod. I got the Eagle Claw reel on there that I also bought at Goodwill. So let's see what's in this river. Nope. Oh, that cast is really good.
Sorry, but I guess it could have tied on one for you either.
Oh, I got a fish! I got a fish!
Oh, nice.
Oh, he came off.
Little tiny trout?
Oh, I got a fish! I got a fish! Oh, I think it was a tiny little trout. He was literally like less than 6
that
inches.
Little green one?
Yep. Well guys, just that tiny little trout. I don't even know what for the trout. I think it was a trout or a bass. It's a little one on for me, that's all. Bummer, but I kind of predicted that anyway because we don't know what to use in this river anyway. I'm gonna put the fishing stuff back, get back in the road, and I will see you guys at our campsite. Guys, we got everything set up, got all the chairs done, and this campsite isn't actually too bad. Looks like they just mowed it down for us. The grass really nice and open, and we got all the rods rigged up. Most of them are rigged up, and we got our crab traps. We only got one hoop trap we're going to be using, which is this one, which is Dad's, but I brought my, it's supposed to be a fish trap, but it might work for crabs, who knows. It is 20-mile-an-hour winds down at the beach, so we're probably not going to go down to the beach tonight at all. Which, by the way, the plan for tomorrow is we're going to go down to the beach at like 6 o'clock and go surf fishing for surf perch. Usually these guys are not too far away from the shore, so we're going to have some gulp sandworms we're going to be using with some hooks on high-low rigs. Hopefully that'll work to catch them. And yeah, we're going to have hot dogs tonight, cook them over the fire. Yep, I will see you guys for dinner time. All right, guys, I got a wiener on a stick. Everybody's just having hot dogs, just easy dinner tonight. So we might go down to the beach if the wind dies down later tonight to watch the sunset. Maybe.
Dude, this poker is weak. It doesn't even work. You need something made with like brawn and iron. I think I know a guy.
Letting him in too much more crazy.
Dad, he's recording.
He was recording you.
It's recording. That's good.
Okay, ready, I'm gonna do my Vic Barrel.
Okay, here we go. Stop.
Alright guys, we're at the beach. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm not even gonna try to include sound on this, so enjoy this cool landscaping montage. We're back at the camp, and it is quite the difference of sound. It's nice and quiet here. Check out this cool rock I found. Anyway, that's it for tonight. We're gonna get ready for bed and hit the hay, and I will see you guys in the morning and at the beach to do some surf perch fishing. Good morning, everybody. I am up and Dad is up. He's just going to the bathroom in the trailer. I am all dressed, got my Carhartt, got my bibs on. My first time trying out my bibs. They're not really bibs, they're more like just, well, they're not waders, I can tell you that. But see you guys down at the beach. Alright guys, we made it to the beach, and it is just before high tide. So guys, if you remember the from last year when we went to Harris Beach, there was a bunch of these guys. Please leave it in the comments below what these things are. I have no idea what they are. Please tell me. It is really nice over here. Sunrise goes over there. Sun sets where the ocean is. This is beautiful. This is why I love the ocean. Click like if you guys like the ocean too, and like surf fishing. So we done goofed and forgot rod holders, so we're gonna be using hot dog skewers. So I'm gonna get baited up and then cast my line out there. Alright guys, please leave it in the comments below what these things are. What do you think these things are, guys? 'Cause I have no clue and I need to know. So guys, this is what we're gonna be using. The gulp sandworms. We got 24 in there. And they are pretty nasty, so I'm gonna be careful here. There you go. Hey, okay, we're gonna thread it on just like this. I want to go sideways. That'll work. All right, I'm ready to go. Here we go. For Narnia! Yeah, it is such a difference from yesterday. It has zero wind out here. Absolutely beautiful. Well guys, we gave it our best shot, but no surf perch. So that's all right. We're gonna go back to camp, get some breakfast, and then we were gonna get ready to go crabbing. And that will be quite the adventure. We've never been crabbing here before. And if I haven't mentioned it before, we've never been to Bullard State Park ever. So we're gonna try going crabbing. Dad is right there reeling up his rig. Gonna get packed up, go back to camp, have breakfast, and then get ready to go crabbing. Alright guys, we're at the dock, going crabbing. Our chicken's a little frozen. Dad's getting his crab trap ready. I got mine, circular one, with some chicken, and it is extremely windy. Drop it down. Okay, we're just gonna let that sit for about 5-10 minutes, maybe 15, and then we'll check it. Perfect. All right, guys, I'm gonna check my trap here. Oh, there's some on the outside. They can't figure out how to get in. Oh wait, there's one in there. First crab in my crab trap that you gave me, Auntie Jennifer. Thank you so much for getting me this little female. Let me get some water for the crab. Good old salt water. Oh, that's enough. All right, checking mine. Just one hanging on the edge there. My gosh.
Dude, there's some crabs in there.
There are some crabs in there, boy. That's a lot, dude. That's a lot of little ones. Good. Go. Oh, dude, there's one right there. Right at the bottom. Maybe. That one might be one.
Maybe. No,
that is
close,
a
dude.
ton.
Oh, dude, that one right there. That big one.
Yeah.
Look at him. Right
Yeah.
there, dude. Yep. Measure. Where's the measure?
Measurer. Where is it? Here it is. Got it.
Careful.
That guy. And
Nope.
negatory.
Bummer, dude.
Our closest one yet. Big guy. He's really purple. Bye-bye. Wee. Subscribe. Oh, dude. That's a rock crab. A big rock crab. No, it's like a tan-ish one. Yeah, it is. It's not a Dungeness.
Oh, that's different, yeah.
Get out.
Go a rock crab, I think.
Different kind of crab, yeah.
That's a rock crab. I think you can keep those.
I don't know what kind of crab that is.
It's a rock crab because he's got beefier
He's not red,
claws.
though. Weird. You could throw him in the bucket with the chicken.
I think this is a little
Seagull.
rock crab. Super cool. Subscribe, please. So guys, we checked the regulations, and you can keep these crabs. Are called green crabs. They're invasive to Oregon, so you can keep this guy. No size limit. So super cool. Green crab. Not too big, but Super cool. All right, we're checking the trap over here. Oh, you got some. Come on. Oh no. Oh no, they all fell out.
Oh crap.
Oh crap.
Oh crap.
0. Oh wait, no.
Small. It's like they know.
Well guys, we gave it our all for crabbing. Ended up catching one little green crab. You're allowed to keep those because they're invasive to Oregon. It doesn't matter the size, so we're gonna take that one home, put it in the clam chowder, and yeah, we struck out on the crabs and the fish today. So we're gonna go home. We're gonna go back to camp and make some dinner because it's getting late, and then we'll see what we can do from there. Alright guys, time to drop our crab in. Alright, thank you, Mr. Crab. And he's done. We bet on what color he's gonna turn, and he instantly turned orange, so.
Okay.
Alright guys, the crab has literally been in there for like 5 minutes. He is done. Look at that, guys. There he is. How'd you guys like that thumbnail? What a meal, man. We're gonna take the crab separate and break him apart here. There we go. So those are his gills. I'm gonna take the claw. Look at that claw. Well guys, that'll do it for today's video. We just finished dinner. It was absolutely delicious and really hit the spot after a cold, windy day out on the pier. The crab was delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyway, that is going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the surf fishing and the crabbing. Didn't get much action, didn't get any fish and hardly any crab, but that is alright. That is how it goes sometimes. So, with that said, stay tuned for day 2. We are going to go crabbing early in the morning. Hopefully gonna get on some better crabs, or any crab at all. And hopefully we can catch some fish. Really hoping for that. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and catch them like a pro. And I will see you all in the next video.